Alright, today we're going to be talking about the installation of our target. Our target is sold as an accessory, and what's unique about the target is that it can be taken on and off the net. It has 8 Velcro tabs that tag onto the back of the net, so it's quiet and it never takes ball impact. So if you want it on, you put it on, you can move it around in different locations, and it's real easy to take off if you need it off the net as well. Let's get started with the installation. Find the location on the net where you want your target installed. Undo your first Velcro. We're going to feed that through. Go to your opposite corner. We're going to feed that through and Velcro it. And then you can do your middle Velcro. We're going to have the bottom here. Let it naturally fall into position. We'll go to the opposite corner. Then we'll do our middle. Once we got the top and the bottom done, we'll do the sides here. So basically 8 Velcro tabs, and again you can move it around to different locations on the net. Alright, so now your target is installed. It's very easy to take on and off. You can also move it between locations on the net as well. And the nice thing about the target is it's quiet, it never takes ball impact, so it's going to last a long, long time. And you could use it really for a variety of different sports. If you have any questions, again, please don't hesitate to give us a call or drop us an email. Thanks again for taking the time to watch our video.